Once upon a time, near a quiet river, lived a clever monkey on a big fruit tree.
Yum! Mangoes are the best! Hello, friend Crocodile! Would you like some sweet fruits?
Oh, yes! Thank you, dear monkey!
Day after day, the monkey shared fruits, and soon they became good friends.
I am having fun.
I want the monkey's heart. Bring him to me!
But he is my friend.
The crocodile felt confused, but sadly. He agreed to trick the monkey.
Friend monkey, come visit my home. I'll take you across the river.
All right! That sounds fun!
My wife wants your heart. I must give it to her. Oh dear, I forgot my heart on the tree. Let's go back and get it. Oh, then we must hurry.
Ha! My heart is right here with me!
The clever monkey used his intelligence and saved his life.
And so, children, remember.
Did you like the story? Tap like, share with your friends, subscribe for more fun stories.